Hi, we are Quentin and Morgan, and a few weeks ago we made the decision to try out van life and live out a dream of travel and road tripping that we just never had the time to do. So we searched high and low through Facebook Marketplace, eBay, auction sites, and saw a lot of interesting vehicles that could be potentially our future home. But finally, after about a week and a half of searching, we found the perfect car. We drove an hour away to a little place in Ashland, Massachusetts. I fell in love instantly, and we made the decision and bought a minivan to bring back home and renovate. However, when we got it back to Connecticut, we found a series of issues that needed to be solved. Old parts need to be replaced, AC units don't work, and fluids need to be changed before any renovations can begin. We definitely have our work cut out for us.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
So we just bought this 2010 Chrysler Town & Country up in Boston. We brought it home over the weekend. No problems, no engine codes, no nothing.
Drove fine.
Yeah, drove perfectly fine. Got it home, wouldn't start. We already tried a couple troubleshooting techniques with the battery, stuff like that. Nothing worked, so we're gonna try to diagnose that, change a lot of the fluids, get some new tires, and try to figure out why the AC system isn't working.
Lots of problems.
All right.
So we bought the van a few days ago, and it turned on, and then it turned off, and it needs a new starter. So we think. So we're trying to take it out right now. But yeah, this is our baby.
We followed all necessary safety protocols.
Hi. Hi, sweet pea. Yeah, it's a good girl. Hey, girly. We're kind of here for moral support.
Yeah, that's all right. There's not much I can be doing. Literally two sides.
I love you. Yes.
What is it that we need?
Just turn the light on.
How do I do that?
Flashlight.
Oh, by the car?
Hmm?
By the one by the car?
No, just turn the phone.
Oh, I've got the camera on.
Yeah, just turn the flashlight on.
I can't have the flashlight on while I'm recording you.
Yeah, you can.
No, you can't.
You can record.
I'm just an idiot. It's fine. Oh, I see. We've got babies. Quentin told me to come get the camera with flash, just to show you guys that. You gotta figure this out. So it's day 2 of trying to get the starter out of the car. Neither of us have ever done this before, and it's mostly Quentin doing it because I am not technically inclined, but I think we're almost there. So got the fan going because it's like 90 degrees out. And there's the starter. We finally got it out. Or Quentin finally got it out. I did absolutely nothing other than make us coffee.
It doesn't actually look too shabby. I mean, oh. Want to see the problem? Right there.
What? The wire?
Look at that wire. It's probably, I'm giving that a 90% chance it's the starter. Alright, let's go take it to auto parts.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the store, get it tested, and then if this is not the problem, I think we have a bigger issue. But if it is the problem, we'll get a new one, and then we'll replace it, and then hopefully the car will actually start. New starter in hand. Now to go fix the car and make some lunch because I'm starving.
I really need a manicure now. Oh god. It's almost in. We can do this.
You wanna... if I finish this up, you wanna go make some food and do some laundry, and before we start it up, I'll come get you?
Oh, do all the household stuff?
That's up to you.
All the girl stuff?
No. Just, I know I'm gonna be here for a while.
I'm screwing in one bolt.
Yes, because this is the extent of it, literally. I can do a quarter turn each time. Whoa.
Yeah, I'll go make lunch. Sounds good. Moment of truth. Okay.
Nothing underneath they can catch, right?
Nope, I think we're good.
You wanna do the honors?
Do I want to do the honors? Let's try. Here, you take the phone. Alright, we're going to try it again to see if we can get rid of that sound. Hey! Hey! You did it, babe! That is what it's supposed to sound like. So, next step.
Oil.
Oil, emissions, insurance, registration. And then we can start building.
Alright, you want to turn it off, turn it back on?
One more time. We good? Come here, bud. Bo. Hi. Hi. Good morning and welcome to day 3 of us trying to get this fan to work. It works now. There's a loose connection in the battery, so we had to fix that. But right now it's running. So we're gonna take the seats out so we can get the rest of the measurements that we need so we can start building. And we'll see how that goes. You're enjoying it in there, huh? It's gonna be our home for a little bit. Yeah. It's a good boy. So this is Bo. I don't think you guys have met him yet. He's loving the car. Huh, buddy? Come on, let's go.